everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable two-step verification on Facebook. So two-step verification is a security feature provided by Facebook in order to stop unauthorized login attempts to your account. When you turn on the two-step verification, it sends you a code on your phone whenever someone tries to log into your Facebook account from an unknown device or location. So this feature is really helpful in preventing hacking attempts, but in case you want to turn it off, you can do that easily both through the website as well as the Facebook mobile app. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so first of all, on a web browser, you simply have to go to facebook.com and simply log into your Facebook account. Alright. Enter your email address and password. And then click on login. Now as you can see, the two-factor authentication is on, so you will be required to enter a code first if you are using your Facebook account on a new device or in a new location. Alright, so first of all, I will enter the verification code that I have received on my mobile device, on my phone number. If you are using your Facebook account on your old device, you will not get this notification. Alright, you will not get this step. Only if you are using your Facebook account on an unknown device, you will be required to enter the verification code if your two-factor authentication is on. Press continue, and now you can save this information on this browser so that you will not be asked again. Alright, press continue. Now once you are logged in, you simply have to click on the drop down menu in the top right corner right here. Then click on settings and privacy. Again click on settings, and now in the left column you have to go to security and login section. Now scroll down and you will see that two-factor authentication is on, as you can see right here. So click on edit, and now simply click on turn off option to turn it off. Alright, so as you can see, this will turn off two-factor authentication. You will no longer receive a verification code. Alright, so yeah, click on turn off to turn this feature off. So yeah, as you can see, the two-factor authentication has been turned off from your Facebook account. So that's how you can do it on a web browser. Alright, now moving on to a mobile device. Again, you have to enter in your Facebook account using your login credentials. So first of all, simply log into your Facebook account. And then again you have to clear the two-step verification step if you are using your Facebook account on a new device. Alright, so it is a new device and I have to enter the login code first. Now once you are logged into your Facebook account, you simply have to tap the menu icon in the top right corner. And then scroll down and you will see the option settings and privacy. Tap that, and again tap settings option. Now here you have to scroll down to the security and login section. Tap that, and here you will get the two-factor authentication option that you have to turn off. Alright, simply tap that use two-factor authentication option. and now you have to press turn off to turn it off for any device. Alright. Now again, if you are confirmed, you have to again press turn off. And now here you have to enter your password. Alright. So enter your Facebook password to proceed and press continue. So yeah, as you can see, the two-factor authentication has been turned off for your Facebook account. Alright. So yeah, that was about how you can turn off or disable the two-factor authentication for your Facebook account using a web browser or your mobile device. So whenever you will turn it off, you will no longer receive the notification of signing in whenever someone will log in to your account from an unknown device. Alright. So yeah, you can turn it on whenever you want using the same steps as mentioned in the video. So yeah, if you found my video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and yeah, if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can write that down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.